Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the MarasScarves door stoppers. So the door stoppers are available in a variety of designs or prints. The top one here is the red and white and the bottom is the blue, and they're also available in a variety of lengths. These two measure 34 inches in length. So let's start off by first opening the red and white one. So as you can see, it is packaged in a clear white plastic packet. Let's open it up, well, of course, peeling apart. Open that flap, and of course sliding the door stopper out from its packet. So set the door stop on the left, and it comes with a door stopper leaflet or flyer here with some information about filling the door stopper. So some usage instructions on how to go about getting the door stopper ready for use. Okay, so we can set that on the right hand side of the frame, and moving right along, let's go ahead and open this packet with the blue door stopper. Just peel open that flap and of course tear open apart that round thank you sticker and slide that blue door stopper out from its clear plastic packet, and just giving you a look at as it is. You can see the main color is blue, but it does have some nice bronze accents to it. So just setting both down so you have a nice clear look of both these MarasScarves door stoppers in the middle of the frame, and of course out from their reflective clear plastic packet. So now giving you a close-up look. So these two both measure 34 inches. The top one measures, I beg your pardon, the top one is the red and white one, and the bottom one is the blue one. Okay, so just giving you a close-up look as they are right now, folded up in packaged form. And just giving you a close-up look. So as you can see, both made from fabric. So they are textile door stoppers, and just giving you a look at both these designs. And of course I will spread them open right now, but not before first setting them down and giving you another look. Now let's go ahead and start off by looking at the red and white one, and just opening or spreading the door stopper out. As you can see, it doesn't quite fill, or it goes beyond the scope of the frame, because this door stopper does measure 34 inches long. So it's available in a variety of lengths from 28 to 52, this red and white one, and for the blue one it's available from 26 to 42 inches. So this is the red and white one. As you can see, it does have a kind of wine red magnolia type flower print on its main white body or color. So right there, giving you a close-up look and the details of this fabric. So nice and soft of this textile. It's got a nice flat weave, nearly flat weave. As you can see, they are some fine line patterns across the fabric. And all seams are double stitched, so just giving you a close-up look at the opening right here. So it does have a hook and loop or Velcro opening on one side to fill the door stopper up. And of course just giving you a look right there. I think this is a good way of showing you the print or design right across the door stopper. And on the reverse side as well, so just giving you a complete view as best I can, maybe perhaps folding it across this way. Right there, giving you a complete look at the red and white door stopper from MarasScarves, and this one is 34 inches in length, and as I mentioned, it's available from 28 to 52 inches. Okay, so moving right along, let's take a look at the blue one, and perhaps we can fill one of them up later on. So this is the blue one, and let's unfold it to give you a look at the design or pattern on the door stopper. So just giving you a look right there. It has a nice satin sheen to it, as you can see. And of course that kind of plant-like pattern or print in bronze. And just moving right along the length of the door stopper right there. And you can hear that really soft, plush textile fabric of the door stopper, and once again giving you a look at the seams of the door stopper. So it does have right there a hook and loop opening, and it's nice to see that it is lined as well. As you can see, white lining on the inside of the door stopper. So now giving you a look at the opposite end as well, and the stitching of the fixed closure on the opposite end of the door stopper. So both these door stoppers from MarasScarves, and both measuring 34 inches in length, also available in other lengths as well. Okay, so let's fill one of them up. Let's fill the blue one up. So just shifting that red and white one towards the top of the frame and opening up. And once again, just giving you one final look at the door stopper before I fill it up. Okay, so over here I have a packet of white rice, and this one is a kilo in weight, a kilogram in weight. Let's open it up. Of course, cutting apart or cutting a small opening on one end. And I'm just going to make that opening a little bit bigger with my fingers. And then let's pour this kilogram of rice into that opening. And right there, just lifting up the door stopper so that the rice could fill the door stopper properly. Okay, and let's continue to fill the door stopper up with this bag of rice. So, as you can see, 1 kilo of rice. We have about half a kilo left, and the bag is far from being filled. And that is some very relaxing sounds of the flowing grains of rice right into that opening of the door stopper. So that's a kilogram of rice in this 34-inch long door stopper, and let's see how much of it's filled. So I'm just jiggling the door stopper slightly to show you just how much of this 34-inch length of door stopper has been filled with that kilogram of rice. So right there you can see I've packed it down all the way to the bottom, or to the sealed end of the door stopper, and we can say that just a little over 50% of the door stopper has been filled. So let's use another pack of rice and see if we can continue to fill up this blue door stopper from MarasScarves. So over here I have another packet or bag of rice, so another kilogram bag. Let's cut the bag open, of course, leaving a hole that's just enough to pour into the door stopper, and now just letting the rice grains flow into the door stopper. So we can estimate that it's going to take almost another full bag of rice to have a nicely filled 34-inch door stopper right here. And I've just spilled some grains of rice across the tabletop, but that's fine. So right there, just a little bit more, and then we'll achieve maximum fill of this door stopper. So of course, not the easiest thing to do with a camcorder and tripod in the way. But there we go. So right there, and I think we've nearly filled the bag or door stopper up. So I would say right there, another 10 to 20% more capacity left to fill. And just packing that rice down and filling up some more right there towards that opening. And we have a nicely filled door stopper right here from MarasScarves, this one measuring 34 inches. And I can show you how much of this second kilogram of rice is left. So right there, nearly 2 kilos of rice to fill this 34-inch long door stopper from MarasScarves. It's right there, nice and chunky, and you can see that lovely blue design with that satin sheen. And just turning it around to show you and giving you that full rotation and look. So rather heavy, nearly 2 kilos of course of rice in this door stopper, but now you can see all the details right there of this nice round and of course chunky door stopper, now filled with rice, and that hook and loop or Velcro opening and closure does provide a very, very secure fastening right there. So right there is the blue MarasScarves door stopper, and over there is the red and white one. Of course, we're just only filling one for this moment and in this video. So that's the MarasScarves door stoppers. Thanks for watching and happy stopping!